The way my life filled out was I was born into a family of drug dealers, taught at a very young age by my father, and charged with trafficking on February of 2022. I was a complete mess.
My name is Brett Willis. I've been practicing law since 2005. We serve people who've been accused of committing crimes in the North Georgia area. The people who live in this community are good, honest, hardworking people, and those are the people we represent. When clients call us, first thing we're going to do to lower their stress levels is we're going to answer every single question that they may have or that their loved one may have. Then we're going to set a rock solid plan forward, and then we're going to take off of their plate all the things that are going to be connected to their case.
The way the firm helped me the most was its ability to understand not only my case, but understand my problems. For the first time in my life, I felt like I had an attorney that really cared about me and was 100% about me turning my life around, not just defending me.
To represent somebody charged with a crime, you have to know what it feels like to be in their shoes. You have to be able to feel that, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to represent them. You're not going to be able to give them voice, and you're not going to be able to tell their story. I try to build a legitimate friendship with my clients. I think of them as family. I try to treat them like family. It's all about getting them the result that I would want for my child, for my mom, for my father, for my sister or my brother.
I was blown away with the results they got for me. I wasn't expecting at all what happened that day in court. I was expecting a lot worse. I know that without him and his dedication to me as his client, not only to my case, but to me personally, was what made the key difference, not only in court, but for the last few years of my life.
Criminal cases are all about leverage. Every case has at least one moment where the proper leverage applied in that exact right moment can mean all the difference. The lawyers who work in this firm are looking constantly for that moment of leverage, and they know how to apply exactly the right amount of force or pressure in that moment. If you're watching this video, there's a real good chance that you're overwhelmed. There's a real good chance that you're afraid. And there's a real good chance you don't know what to do. The most important thing that you can do when you're charged with a crime is hire the right attorney. There is no other decision that you can make when you're charged with a crime, when you've been accused of a crime, other than who are you going to choose to represent you in court. Make sure you are picking someone who actually cares about you, about your family, and someone who knows how to do the thing that you're asking them to do.
I could have never been more happy, and I would recommend this law firm to everyone, because they're more than just an attorney. You know, they care about what happens to you. It's not just about winning a case.